Algorand truly is a low-position coin with the ticker Algo that in every practical sense has an extremely present worth of $0.093032 and a market capitalization of $728,285,684, which basically is genuinely critical. Digital currencies explicitly have long passed the purpose in being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure sellers in a by and large huge manner. These days, it's a resource class that in a real sense is significantly directed and, surprisingly, embraced as lawful delicate, exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Some fundamentally huge speculation banks even certainly gain Algorand and really other digital currencies all at once to in every practical sense safeguard their resources under administration against the dashing expansion that handicaps the conventional monetary business sectors amazingly. On September 1st, the cost of Algorand most certainly was at $0.093190 toward the finish of the exchanging timeframe, during which the cost change added up to 0.30%, which sort of is very critical. 7 days prior, on August 26, Algo explicitly was esteemed at $0.096939, which essentially intends that from that point forward, the cost has truly varied by 0% incredibly. A month prior, on August 2, the market member laid out the cost of Algorand at $0.106943. In this manner, the coin fundamentally has made a 13.01% move to arrive at its sort of present standings especially. In any case, as currently made sense of, the cost of Algorand isn't the main genuinely factor that we in a real sense consider, while making the cost expectation in a very enormous manner. It means a lot to sort of keep a very sharp eye on changes in the market capitalization of the computerized resource under survey, to truly have an especially clear perspective on where the market basically is going in a sort of significant manner. The examination of market capitalization generally conveys equivalent significance in both cryptographic money and customary business sectors, which explicitly is genuinely huge. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology really is utilized to for the most part decide the kind of generally position and prevalence of computerized resources and stocks, for example, which basically is genuinely critical. Changes in market capitalization, quite sure or kind of negative, really are likewise demonstrative of the manner by which the said market could for the most part be going, as well as the resources genuinely potential for making gains or posting misfortunes in both kind of short and certainly long haul points of view amazingly. This genuinely specific truly metric basically is likewise used to check the predominance of Algorand comparable to the remainder of the digital currency market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future exhibition. So this extremely specific sort of measurement truly is likewise used to check the strength of Algorand corresponding to the remainder of the cryptographic money market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future presentation in a very significant manner. To especially decide the fundamentally current market capitalization of Algo, we duplicate the coursing supply, the boundary that will explicitly be especially made sense of later, by the for the most part present worth of the digital money under survey in an unpretentious manner. Starting today, the market capitalization of Algorand remains at $728,285,684, which frames the reason for its most certainly present really positioning that sort of was referenced before. Recently, on September 1st, Algo in a real sense had a market capitalization of $729,528,196 in a significant manner. Keep going week. On August 26, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to for the most part was recorded at $758,768,859. Incredibly, a month prior, on August 2, the market worth of Algorand basically was evaluated to basically be $834,898,233 in an unpretentious manner. Complete stock considers the quantity of coins that really have proactively been created by different means, for example through mining, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. These digital currencies can in a real sense be utilized either for kind of dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with caretakers, or so they generally thought. This in every practical sense, metric additionally figures the coins that fundamentally have been gotten rid of through the cycle called consuming, which by and large is applied to control the expansion rate truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. At this point, the kind of all-out supply of Algorand explicitly is laid out at 7,828,353,790 Algo, which explicitly is genuinely critical. In conclusion, the circling supply really is utilized to fundamentally ascertain the market capitalization and essentially survey the coins by and large current remaining in the positions, or so they in a real sense thought. It signifies the kind of generally speaking measure of algo that truly is buy and buy exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that most certainly are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly certainly put unavailable for general use for reasons unknown, or so they truly thought. It's by and large in a real sense accepted that digital currencies that by and large have a circling supply between 60 million and 150 million, especially are the most appropriate for long-haul venture, since they generally are genuinely prone to truly see the value in esteem over a drawn-out time frame, conceivably many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate. Exhibiting that a month prior, on August 2, the market member laid out the cost of Algorand at $0.106943. Consequently, the coin basically has made a 13.01% move to arrive at its certainly present standings in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking in a real sense. At this crossroads, Algorand in a real sense has a flowing stock of 790 coins in an in every practical sense enormous way. Additionally, sort of high exchanging volume normally grandstands that the liquidity basically is streaming into that market, which demonstrates the truly broad premium in the digital currencies and guarantees smooth execution of exchanges, showing how this by and large measurement likewise calculates the coins that have been eliminated through the cycle called consuming, which sort of is applied to control the expansion rate, or so they truly thought. In any case, it should truly be essentially noticed that the information connected with the continuous exchanging volume isn't that by and large much reasonable for making extremely long-haul cost expectations. However, it normally gives significant understanding into the very current market circumstance. Consequently, for the most part is pivotal for short and mid-term cost estimates, sort of done by our restrictive calculation in an unpretentious manner. A sort of savvy digital money financial backer mustn't dismiss this in every practical sense metric while picking passage or leave point. The guideline here is to especially get into the activity when the volume really begins to rise, when the cost in every way that really matters is pushing out of the combination region and especially forsake the boat. Once the volume starts to drop after an impressive meeting in an exceptionally significant manner, it's even much better assuming those cost moves by and large occur in the areas that concur with generally especially high volume, which for the most part are normally shown through tall bars on the really comparing pointer that is implanted in all crypto exchanging terminals, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. Taking care of that, we should survey the exchanging volume recorded on the Algorand market throughout the accompanying time periods in a by and large significant manner. Over the truly beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with Algo arrived at the place of $19,305,640, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. Recently, on September 1, the